Hello, in this video, I will show you how to use and set the timer on an air conditioner. There are two types of timers, one to turn off the air conditioner when it is already on. The second one is to turn on the air conditioner automatically, on a specific time. The first step is to set the correct time on the remote. Follow the steps shown in the video to set the time. Note that the time is in a 24-hour format. Once this is done, if you want the air conditioner to turn off at a specific time, follow the steps shown to set the time and make sure to point the remote control towards the air conditioner for the last step, for it to be synchronized. If you want the air conditioner to start at a specific time, for example when you're not at home, follow the steps shown to set the time you want it to turn on, and make sure to point the remote control towards the air conditioner for the last step. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.